welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my very first Halloween haul of the 2025 spooky season. I don't have too much here, and that is because I'm trying to be very intentional with the items that I purchased this year. So everything that I bought was either items that I really wanted previously or an item that I thought would work well in my theme and that I could possibly use as all year decor afterwards. So I'm not going to talk too much, we're going to get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I have is this black pumpkin with a toad and a butterfly perched on top, and I thought that this would be perfect for my garden theme this year. This came from HomeGoods and it was $19.99. I do believe I saw this before, and I can't remember if I saw it in a video or if I saw somebody haul it or I myself saw it and just did not purchase it. But I was questioning why I had not purchased it before, if that is the case. I think maybe I saw it on Jade the Leaper's channel. I'm not sure, but it came home with me. Okay, so the next item that I have is something that I normally would not purchase, but I thought it would look really cool if I repainted it, and it is this skull with a melting ice cream cone on top of his head, and I thought it would look really cool if I painted the ice cream black, and this is also extremely glittery. If you touch it, oops, I don't know if my camera picked that up, but a bunch of glitter just fell off, but I do not like that. So I'm going to be removing the glitter, and then I'm also going to be removing these beads. I'm going to paint, like I said, the ice cream black, and then I was thinking about getting some black beads to replace the sprinkles with. And this came from HomeGoods as well, and it does not say how much it was. I think this was $14.99, but I'm not positive. Alright, the next item that I have is this apron. This apron also came from HomeGoods and it was $12.99. I found this and it immediately went into my cart. I absolutely love this. It's got death moths, skulls, spiders, roses. I just love the pattern on this, and I was thinking that I would do some cooking videos on my channel at some point, probably after spooky season is over. I don't know. But I thought that would be fun. But yeah, I absolutely love the pattern on this. Okay, the next couple of items that I have are candles, and I don't normally like to buy candles because of the chemicals in them, but I do sometimes make an exception. And the first one that I have is this pumpkin rum one, and both of these candles that I'm gonna show you are from HomeGoods, and they were both $7.99 each. But I purchased them specifically for the lids. They do also smell good. But yeah, I purchased them because of the lids. I thought that they would, again, be great pieces for my garden theme. So I've got this one, and then I also have this pumpkin bourbon one. I like this one much better. The reason why I purchased this one is because I found this one a couple of days after I purchased that one. I probably wouldn't have bought that one if I had found this one first. So I purchased this one. Again, I love the lid, and yeah, I got those. Okay, the next item that I have is this wraith from Cracker Barrel. It's an ornament. I do believe that this was $5.99, and I did buy this to put in my rearview mirror. I do plan on taking out the little battery pack if I can. If not, I'll just take out the batteries from the back just so it's not getting heated, you know, from the summer sun. But yeah, I thought this would look cool on my rearview mirror, and the reason why I am going to be taking out, like, I don't mind taking out the batteries is because it has multicolored lighting in the crystal ball, which if you have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm not a fan of the multicolored lights. So yeah, I have no issue taking the light out. Alright, the next few items that I have are these skeleton hands. I have 3 here, but they are skeleton hand ground stakes, and they are to hold jack-o'-lanterns. Again, I thought that this would work well in my theme outside this year, or possibly in my Halloween fall garden, my Halloween fall gothic garden. So yeah, I thought that these would be cool. These were from At Home and they were $6.99 a piece. All right, the next item that I have is this piece from At Home, and I thought that he would work really well in my garden theme this year as well. And I did see that Michael's has a birdcage on clearance, and unfortunately they are an hour and a half away from me, but I have plans to go there this weekend. So I'm hoping that the bird cage is still there and I can snag it. I thought he would look really cool in the bird cage, so we'll see if that happens. But if not, he looks cool on his own. Did I say he was $6.99? If not, he's $6.99. And then the next item I got really excited to find. I went into TJ Maxx and I wasn't even looking for these at the time. I was actually looking for some jack-o'-lanterns, and I walked in. I did not find any jack-o'-lanterns that I could use for what I want to use them for, but I found these Martha Stewart hands, and I was so excited because I have been looking for these since last year. I was informed that they were selling them online, but it was an extra $10 for shipping, and then I'm always iffy about ordering stuff online because I don't want it to come broken. So I decided to hold out, and these were $19.99. So I was really excited about, it was really, yeah, me breaking it after just saying I don't trust shipping. Anyways, I was really excited about finding these. Okay, the next couple of items that I have are not Halloween decorations, but I am going to be using them in my decor this year, so I figured I'd share them. They came from Hobby Lobby, and the first one is this black snail, and I was so excited to find this. I think this material is cast iron. That's what it feels like. I could be wrong. And I do believe he was $5.49. I already took the price tag off of him, but I found him in Hobby Lobby and I was super excited to find him. He's so cute. And then the next item that I found from Hobby Lobby is this glass cloche with mushrooms inside. And I did have the thought to paint the mushrooms black, but then I decided so much of my decor for my theme this year is black, so I thought that this silverish color will add some dimension. Also, my fingerprints are covered on the glass. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but it looks really dirty, so I'm sorry if you can see that. I'm gonna have to clean it. Anyways, this was $10.99. I do, however, want to paint this top knob black. I don't know why, but this just looks weird to me. So I will be painting the top of this black. All right, so the very last piece that I have is another piece from HomeGoods, and it is a rather large piece. It is this trio of ghosties. And I found them when I did my first HomeGoods walkthrough. They were just putting everything out. They didn't have a price tag on them, so I asked the manager how much it was. He just picked up an item and said that he could do it for $39.99. So I purchased them, and then after I left, I decided to do some research to see how much they actually were. And from what I could tell from someone's TikTok video, it looked like somebody else had saw them for $49.99. And then in my walkthrough video, someone had commented that they actually think that this was $59.99. So if that is true, I got a really good deal on these ghosts. And the really cool thing about it is they have this, I do have a, I have puck lights in here, which I'm gonna talk about now. There's this little hole in the bottom that you can put lights in, and you can light them up, and it looks so cool. I love these so much. anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have plans to put up my Halloween plan with me video next. I'm hoping to get up 2 more videos by Saturday, but if that does not happen, you can expect the Halloween plan with me video on Saturday evening, I think. I don't want to cut my time too short to plan for that video. But yeah, that's the plans for the rest of this week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!